Mastercam makes it easier to create text for notes and labels by adding many of the capabilities of the Create Letters function into the Note function. Additionally, Note's redesigned function panel gives you improved usability, more options, and increased control. Note is the preferred method of creating text for notes, labels, and toolpath geometry. There are two new methods you can use to place your note in the graphics window. Point positions the new note in a linear direction and enables the Create Arc functionality. Create Arc uses the selected position on screen as the center point of the text as it rotates around a circle without requiring wireframe. Curve lets you position the new note on any selected line, arc, or spline. Use your cursor to reposition the note text by clicking and dragging it along the entity. New options in the function panel are available so you can easily modify the formatting and alignment of your text. Some examples are the new editing buttons above the text editor that you can use to control the style of the text, and the new presets buttons that let you quickly position the text relative to the base point. On the new Advanced tab, you will find options to add simple or segmented leader lines and to convert your text to chainable geometry when you exit the function. You can also associate your note to a plane, point or curve, or leaders. The redesigned Note function supports notes from prior releases of Mastercam with some limitations. You can edit legacy notes in Mastercam 2021 with the same capabilities that were available in previous versions of Mastercam. You cannot use the new formatting buttons on a legacy note. However, if you update a legacy note to a new note entity, all of Note's new editing capabilities are available. To convert a legacy note, select Convert Legacy Note in the function panel. Mastercam's Analyze Entity function indicates if a note was created in a previous Mastercam version by updating the title of the dialog box with the word Legacy. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.